Today is July 2nd. It's currently 93 degrees out and climbing. So rather than put too much effort into the raft today, what I'm going to do is start the decontamination efforts. So I got the ends of the tarp up. I have everything vacuumed out and cleaned from yesterday. So I'm going to put some diluted bleach on the section right in the middle here. It had quite a bit of debris in there that was kind of nasty. I did see a mouse scurry away, and there was evidence of rodents in here. So I'm going to give it a light bleach, the diluted bleach solution, spray it on everything, and just leave this open and let this air out overnight. I might give it another application tomorrow. We're going to hit over 100 tomorrow. So I want to have this have a chance to decontaminate while I ignore it in this heat and tend to other things that are in cooler quarters. So the internal structure here between the pontoons has been sprayed from many different angles. I really soaked the bleach water in there. I want this just to sit overnight and decontaminate. Tomorrow morning I'll come out again, give it another treatment with the bleach water, let it sit another day. Tomorrow's going to be even hotter. So I figure I don't want to be out here working, but I don't mind this thing decontaminating on its own while I'm in the house in cooler quarters. So that's it for now. Just wanted to give you a little heads up. Here's some of the details on how I tied this back. These are called bungee balls. These are super handy to connect things. So I have it connected in the corners, and you can see I have it connected on the edge as well. So these work really good. If you have eyelets, you can pretty much connect it to anything. So here's the other side. So I'm just gonna let this sit, let this decontaminate. Hopefully all the cooties will be neutralized, and I'll be able to work in there without feeling too nervous about what kind of biohazard is remaining in that wood surface.